Hi, my name is Stefan During, and I'm the founder of Shift Group, and I'm here with my business partner, Tom Mobus, and we've been working
Hi.
together for over 10 years. And we've created a course called The Pandemic Shift, and it's for businesses going through tough times. And I wanted to interview Tom about the course and how it works to make sure it's a fit for you. Hi, Tom.
Hey, Stefan. Yeah, we're very excited about Pandemic Shift. We've been developing it with Stony Brook University together with people in Suffolk County. And we think of it as something like bridge over troubled waters because everyone is in tough shape right now. You know, businesses are closed, no revenue, got to lay people off, you got to pay rent. You know, it's just very difficult. And we believe we can help you find solutions. You know, Stefan and I have been working with small businesses for about 10, 12 years now. We developed a program in the financial crisis in New York City in 2008 that helped a lot of small businesses not only stay, but grow. And we learned in that process that business owners really learn well by working with each other in small groups. And that's what this program is all about. Pandemic Shift is a series of 4 workshops, 90 minutes long. It's going to be on Zoom, just like you see Stefan and I talking now. It's going to have about 24 people in it, but you're all going to be broken into groups of 4. So you've got a working group where you can have a lot of airtime to talk about your challenges and your opportunities with other people. Stefan had a great idea about building a buddy system into it. Stefan, talk a little bit about that.
Sure. The buddy system is really simple. It's just you are going to be partnered up with somebody in the course who has his or her own business, and you're going to be holding each other accountable, doing the homework and showing up and working on your businesses as the course goes through.
So there's 4 parts of this. First is reestablishing hope. When you're in crisis, you've got to get your hope back to get going. Then survival skills, dealing with cash, people, you know, making sure you can, you know, keep the lights on, shifting your, you know, your practice a little bit in order to, you know, get the revenue going, and then an opportunity to take a look at how you can pivot. You know, we all hear about pivot. How can you shift your business to start getting after new markets? There's real opportunity in crisis, and you can go after it. So that's what we're going to do. We're very excited about this program. And we hope that you will join us. We're launching it during the month of May, and we hope to be doing it all throughout the rest of the year. So look forward. It's called Pandemic Shift. We're very excited to be working with you, and you promise if you join us, you'll get somewhere.
Thank you, Tom, and looking forward to seeing all of you in our first course, our next course.